I recently discovered a Chrome extension that works with you in Google Docs, slides, even websites, giving feedback, rewriting text, and building lessons in seconds. It's called Brisk Teaching, and it was built specifically for teachers. I've included a link in the description, and if you click that link, you'll get 1 month of Brisk Premium for free. So let me show you how to install it and why it might be your new favorite tool. Brisk is not just another AI tool. It was made with real classroom needs in mind, including standards-aligned lesson plans, rubric-based feedback, instant reading level adjustments. It works directly inside your browser, so you never leave your workflow. You simply click the Brisk icon and start teaching more efficiently. To get started, go to briskteaching.com and click Get Started in the top right. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. Add the extension, and this will open up the app.briskteaching.com. What you want to do then is now click the extension icon on the toolbar. So click Extensions and pin the Brisk Teaching icon to your screen. And now you'll see the little B pop up right next to the extension icon. Once it's installed, you'll usually see the B icon on the bottom right corner of the screen for websites, Google Docs, slides, etc. If you don't see it, then just click on the B next to the extensions icon and it should pop up. Brisk is also available on Microsoft Edge. Now, I'm not an Edge user, so I can't show you visually how to install it, but it should be the similar process. You go to the Edge add-on store, find the Brisk extension, and add it. Now let's take a quick look at what Brisk can do. We're going to go deeper on these in future videos. So as you can see, the lower right-hand corner of the screen is the B icon. Click the Brisk icon, and you'll be able to see all the things that Brisk can do for you. So I've opened one of my students' writing pieces, and if I click the B icon, I can click Give Feedback, and this is targeted feedback, glows and grows. We'll go over that in a future video. I can change the level of different text, whether it's this text or whether it's online or any text I want to. I can change the level of it. I can create presentations, quizzes, rubrics. Brisk can help me with progress reports, lesson plans, word problems, sub-plans. All these things Brisk can help me create. So that is Brisk in a nutshell. It's teacher designed, classroom safe, and entirely free to start. And as I said before, use the link in the description and you can try Brisk Premium for 1 month at no cost. I'll be releasing short videos demonstrating the top tools, including writing feedback, rubric creation, and text leveling, and more. Click the link, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next video where we begin with writing feedback using Brisk. I'll see you there.